and make the necessary suggestions, that this would provide an easy entry for those who would read the material that will eventually become a book. We are very grateful for your contact and will certainly take any suggestions as to how we should receive this information. I am Ra. I will not suggest the proper series of questions. This is your prerogative as free agent of the Law of One, having learned, understood, that our social memory complex cannot effectually discern the distortions of the societal mind-body-spirit complex of your people.
Okay, good morning. What I'm doing here is grinding down these very piss-poor welds that the previous owner of this car did on this 67 Mustang, and the white dots represent where I'm going to drill a new hole through the top layer and plug weld it to the bottom layer, and also to put a hole right there and to tighten this up, and then put a strap, a 2-inch by 1-inch strap right in here to tie that corner together, just like the factory did right there. So sadly, much of the work that I'm doing on this car is repairing, fixing, and making better the previous work that previous workmanship or workmen did, displaying their craftsmanship, which really is, needing improvement, and of course doesn't meet my standards, so I'm going to fix that. So this is just a moment I wanted to capture right now. I wanted to capture this moment right now just to share like 2 or 3 minutes of this fix on this Mustang, listening to some really good stuff called The Law of One. The Law of One, look it up. The Law of One, really good stuff. Let me get back to it. See you later.
This energy is intelligent. It is hierarchical. Much as your mind,
maybe I'll run it for a little bit and watch and let you guys and gals watch me do this work.
And the intelligence of each ascending intelligent or balanced body,
or at least try to.
Each atom of such a material is rock.
Not sure if I'm going to have any success doing
that
this.
Intelligence, the finite energy of the physical or chemical rock body is put into contact with that infinite power which is present in the more well-tuned bodies. Sensitivity and an ability to empathize are helpful in avoiding the distortions of man-made intelligence and awareness. The area or arena called the societal complex is an arena in which there are no particular needs for care, for it is the prerogative, honor, duty of those in the particular planetary sphere to act according to their free will for the attempted aid of the social complex. Thus, you have two simple directives. Awareness of the intelligent energy expressed in nature. Awareness of the intelligent energy expressed in self to be shared when it seems appropriate by the entity with the social complex. And you have one infinitely subtle and various set of distortions of which you may be aware. That is, distortions with respect to self and other selves, not concerning free will, but concerning harmonious relationships and service to others as other selves would most benefit. Question. As an entity in this density grows from childhood, he becomes more aware of his responsibilities. Is there an age below which an entity is not responsible for his act?
Okay, folks. There is that. Weld Exhibit A versus Weld Exhibit B. Pick your poison. Which one is better? Which one is stronger? And the setting up to put in the frame connectors on this Mustang. I've done probably 2 or 3 of these on these old Mustangs before, so kind of got it down packed. So you know, when it's so blasted hot, I quit 2 o'clock-ish or so, and then try to come in early in the morning, but it's always sometimes difficult to do. So anyways, that's it. Bye. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen. See you later.